Hello students, welcome to your English class. Today we are learning some new writing skills. We will learn to write advertisements. This is for class 12th and this concept of writing carries 4 marks in your exam. So it's very important to learn it how to write advertisements. First we will come to know the definition of what is advertisement. An advertisement is a powerful tool to promote sales or services. So, by the very first sentence, we come to know what is the purpose of writing an advertisement. You have seen the advertisements of various kinds in the newspapers, and you know very well what is the purpose of writing an advertisement to promote anything sale or any kind of service. It is meant to attract the attention of a target group. It is not meant, every advertisement is not meant for every person. It is related to a targeted group. An advertisement is sent in public domain by print media or electronic media. Through print media, by newspapers, magazines, you come to know what are the things for sale or what are the services available for you through the advertisement. And through electronic media, television, etc., also we come to know about the sales and services through advertisements. Advertisements drafted for print media are published in newspapers, magazines, and periodicals. Now, there are two types of advertisements. One is classified and second is display or commercial advertisements. So, first, classified advertisements are generally for different purposes, and display or commercial advertisements are completely for commercial purposes for selling something. First, we will know what are classified advertisements. So, there is a brief description about it. Classified advertisements are found in the columns of newspapers and magazines. You have seen it many times. There is a particular classified column or page is given in the newspaper where you will find various kinds of classified advertisements in small boxes. These are categorized in separate columns according to their purpose of doing the work. These are very brief, written in short phrases. They are not written in complete sentences. They are written in short phrases and words and occupy very less space. These are written simple, precise, and into the point language. No any extra words or extra sentences are written in these kinds of advertisements. So they are very economical. They are more economical than the display advertisements. They are affordable for every person. They should be comprehensive. That means broadly or completely they should cover the whole matter what you want to convey, and must include all necessary details in that brief description only. Details must be in points using commas. There are various categories of advertisements including situation vacant, to let, for sale, lost and found, travel and tour, bride and bridegroom, sad demise, etc. So you have come to know now what kind of purposes are there to solve through the advertisements, like situation vacant. If somebody wants to fill any place in the organization, they give the advertisements for that particular post in the newspaper. If you want to let out your house, then you give advertisement in the newspaper. If you want to sell something, if you want to sell something like your bike, car, vehicles, or house, or anything, you can do it through advertisements. If you have lost something or if you have found something, then also you can inform this thing through the advertisement. For travel and tour purposes also advertisements can be given, and for finding a bride or a bridegroom, advertisement is a very helpful medium. Or if somebody dies, that information you can give through advertisement in sad demise column. Now, what further things are there in classified advertisements? Every advertisement must contain contact number or address or both, name and telephone number. So these are the necessary things which should be present in a classified advertisement, like there should be a contact number and address or both. Articles and conjunctions, these are grammatical things which are avoided generally in the language of advertisement, and prepositions are very rarely used. So you can see that it does not need much grammar to learn how to write advertisements. You can write it in brief and to the point language. Last but not the least, the matter should be put in a box. It is a compulsion that advertisements should be in a box. Now we have some examples of various advertisements. First example is you want to sell off your motorbike which you have been using for 5 years. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published under the classified columns of a national daily. Furnish all necessary details. So you can see you have to create the details, and word limit is again, like notice given to you, is 50 words, not more than that, and you have to sell off your old motorbike. So how will you give this? We can see the example here. First, the heading will come bike for sale in block letters if possible. Then only the necessary parts which a person needs to know to buy your bike, like 2015 model. You do not need to write your name, I am this and I want to sell my bike. You do not need to write complete sentences. Only you give the necessary information about the bike, that's it. Like 2015 model of the bike, Hero Honda Splendor, the bike's model, 150cc its capacity, fully equipped with accessories, color black colored, you have to mention the color, and its condition, it is in good condition. So in good condition only you have to write. Expected price given by the seller is 30,000. Bike free of scratch and damage. Another feature of the bike he is going to tell you. Then contact Anuj Sharma. Contact name, any name you can create if it is not given in the question. His address B63 Patel Nagar, New Delhi, and phone number is also given there. So this is the way of writing a classified advertisement in a small box in a very brief and to the point manner. You have seen this example of selling something. Now we are coming to the next example. You need to buy a flat. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words to be published in the classified columns of a local newspaper, giving all the necessary details of your requirement. You are Kailash or Karuna, M114 Mall Road, Delhi. This is the address of the person, name of the person, everything is given to you in this question, and you want to buy a flat. So what kind of requirements you need for buying a flat, what the things are there you need in a flat, you will explain everything in brief in your classified as advertisements. First, beginning will be done always with the heading wanted flat. Then what kind of flat you need? Wanted 2 BHK. Newly constructed you need, you don't need a old flat. Unfurnished or semi-furnished is okay. Only these words you can see are written, not big sentences are made. And commas are there after every information. East facing, made according to Vastu, preferably ground floor in North Delhi. Should have 24/7 water and electricity supply. Round the clock water and electricity supply is needed there. Covered parking space, another requirement by you. Contact person is Kailash Mehta. Phone is given there. So this is the way of writing an advertisement. Very simple, brief and to the point phrases. Not anything long is required here. Now third example we are knowing about situation vacant. So there is a question for it. Golden Globe Computers, an organization, a company is there, requires 2 typists, preferably female, for their office. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words, furnishing necessary details. You have to create the necessary details here. First, the heading, situation vacant. This is the permanent heading for a place to be filled. Wanted 2 typists for computers, service firm, female candidates required. Typing speed should be excellent. Now you will explain the qualities which you need in the candidate. Graduates needed with at least 1 year's experience. They should be graduate at least, needed 1 year's experience at least. Fresher may also apply. This is also the another condition given by the employer. Salary negotiable. Age 25 to 30 years. So age is described here. Salary is explained as negotiable according to the skills of the person who is going to apply. Then contact name and phone number, and the company's name is also necessary here to give. So this is the way of writing this advertisement. Next is you are Sanjay Gupta. You wish to let out your flat. Now you want to give the house for rent that is situated in the mid of Bangalore. Draft an advertisement for a well circulated daily giving necessary details. Now word limit is again 50 words as always. First heading will be to let. So people will come to know you wanted to let out your house. Now you will explain the qualities of your house in brief and to the point phrases. Available a 3 BHK flat on rent. You will directly write available. You can't start with I have a flat available, this and that. No need to write all this. Fully furnished in the mid of Bangalore with modular kitchen, east facing, all the qualities you are explaining of your house in brief language. 24/7 electricity and water facility, round the clock security, lift facility, rent negotiable. Interested persons may contact. The name of the person Sanjay Gupta and phone number is given here. This is how the advertisement is written. Now next example is you have lost your documents. While lost and found advertisement, how you can give. You have lost your documents while traveling on a DTC bus from your school to home. Draft an advertisement. If you have lost something, that is not a serious matter to find it. You can find easily through advertisements. Draft an advertisements for the classified columns giving all relevant details in not more than 50 words. So here the advertisement goes like this. The heading will be missing, or you can give the heading lost. I, Ajay Sinha. Now you will give the name also in the beginning here. Resident of 1912 Patel Nagar. Address is given, New Delhi. Hereby inform that my documents of class 12th in a blue colored folder. You will explain the thing in which they are kept. Have been lost during my travel on a DTC bus from DAV Public School to Patel Nagar around 3 p.m. If anybody finds it, please contact at this phone number. Suitable reward promised. So all these details are given here. There is some change in writing it. In the beginning only the name is given because the person is contacting himself to the people, so he is giving his name in the beginning. This is how we write many advertisements. You will further get various more examples. Till then, thank you.